Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2025 Kawasaki KRX 1000 Blackout Edition. This one has a ton of accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done on this Blackout. Starting off right on the front, it's hard to miss all of the lighting on this thing. We do have that 8-inch K-Glow down in the sport front bumper. You've got your nice bright lighting from Kawasaki. Actually, those are from RYCO. We'll cover that in a minute. You do have your Sector 7s here on the sides. If you haven't ran a pair of Sector 7s before, you're missing out. Then you've got that upper light bar that comes with the full overhead audio roof from Kawasaki. 5150 rock lights throughout the entire machine, paired up with their 4-foot whips. Illuminates the KRX really nice. We've got those 8-inch K-Glows in the rear as well. They do work with that audio roof. You can see the 5150s there again. We do have the windshield washer kit from Kawasaki, the all-glass windshield from Kawasaki. Let's kill some of this lighting, shall we? There you can see that Kawasaki all glass, not going to scratch like a Lexan or a polycarbonate. With that electric wiper, yes, electric wiper. You got a nice throw on the windshield, and the washer fluid kit there makes it super nice on those dusty, muddy, rainy, snowy days. With the Blackout, it did come from the factory with the sound system, with the sub. We did pair it up with that audio roof, okay? So that can be done. We also pulled it off with the interactive display from Kawasaki. Here's our headlights. We'll dim those down now. Light bars. This is your Sector 7 lights. This is your windshield wiper. This is your washer fluid. This is your RYCO street legal kit. We'll come back to that. More lighting here. Your rock lights and lighted whips here. They're also app controlled. We've got the Kawasaki heater kit in here. Now, let me touch base on that real quick. The Kawasaki heat kit is the best heater kit you can get. It does come with those defrost ducts. It's got those face vents and all of that. And you do have the ability to control your temperature settings as well as your fan speed. Right here, you've got your foot and your defrost, and right here, you've got your face vents. So depending on what type of airflow you want and where you want it, you can accomplish it right there. You can see that we've got the backup camera there with the interactive display. Super, super nice. All of your music, your trail navigation, and everything is included. My phone's not picking that up that great, but there's your information there. Up here under the dash, you've got an ability to charge your cell phone as well as a 3.5 millimeter jack. This is for your satellite. And then up top with the sweet system here, you've got a sub that's built into the roof. You've got your lighting controls up here. You can change your colors here, any color you want. Very nice as you cycle through. Those Sector 7s, they've got a massive field of view on the sides as well, on top of how good they look with the front. We do have the PRP knee pads on this vehicle. Super nice, you gotta have that. And then heated seats. We cover your butt and your back on that heated seat. Very, very nice. There is a lot more info we can cover on the entertainment system there. We'll do that in a separate video. We do have the cab sill kit installed. We have the Kawasaki back window on this one. I love the Kawasaki back window because it molds around and it's not flat. It's actually got that bow to it. Makes you feel like you've got a lot more room inside the cab. Trailing arm guards. Oh yeah. Front A-arm guards. They're on there. Rear A-arm guard, trailing arm guards. You need those. We've got the tail light guards on there, paired up with the sport rear bumper. And we've got the tailgate cargo box. Very nice. It's very roomy. You can shove a lot of stuff in the sides. keep all your contents dry and secure. Check out our other videos on that. And then we have the updated spare tire rack and cargo. Let me use my other hand because my left hand's a wuss. Very nice. That will hold a 35-inch Rockzilla. Let's not forget those 35-inch Rockzillas. The Tusk bead locks. It's a great setup. We did the 4-3 offset on this one. It's going to make it a little bit wider. Got the tow hooks on there, front and back. Definitely one of those almost free accessories for the KRX. This is a sick machine. The Blackout is a phenomenal looking machine, but this baby is purpose built. It's going to be going to Moab here next week. Love it. I'm sure I missed a few things. That's okay. What are we missing? If you guys are checking this out, post up in the comments below. What did we miss on this build? With the RYCO kit, we did the headlight replacement kit. Very nice, very nice. We will post up in the description a link to all the parts used on this build. With the RYCO kit, horn button integrated into the end. You do have the 4-way hazards. Indicator lights up on the dash. Ties into the stock tail lights here in the rear as well. License plate, it's illuminated. Nice custom bracket. Super fun build. This again was purpose built for Moab. It's gonna do a great job down there. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We got the KRX goods. Have a good day, everybody.